What's up, you guys? BellaRose from TechCity back again, and today on the channel I'm going to first off ask you to please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much. Like this video before even watching it and also check out our other videos when you have the time. All right, so today's video is going to be my first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. These devices were recently launched in Lagos, Nigeria, and in other parts of the world as well. It was a virtual launch, and I'm just going to, well, check the devices out, do some playing around, and then tell you what I feel about these devices. And then much later, I will do a full-on review where I will test out some of the things that you would like for me to test out on the devices, and boom, the world is a better place. So the first device that I'm going to be sharing my first impressions on would be the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus in Phantom Black. I'm pretty sure that one of the major reasons why this device jumps at me and why I immediately like it is because of the color, the phantom blackness of it. I love it. So it's a 6.7-inch device, right? And at the back is where the 3 cameras are placed. I love the design and how the cameras are part of the build of the device. I like it so much. And of course, all 3 cameras have their individual functions, which I'm sure we'll get to in our full review. So there's that. And then just the volume rocker on this side, as well as the power on button. I need to also let you know that the SIM card tray is at the bottom this time, as opposed to being on the side or at the top like we were kind of used to. So there's that as well. So the screen and the back panel of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus are made with Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which according to what I hear from Samsung is such that the device would scratch less, because the back does not necessarily feel or sound like glass, but newsflash, it actually is. So that also is very impressive, and I quite like it. So 6.7 inches, it fits very well in the palm of my hands, and yeah, we'll turn on the device and see what other features it is packed with. First off, the wallpaper is so vivid, you guys. I like the brightness of the colors and the sharpness as well. And Samsung also did say that this is their most performative device when it comes to like operation and whatnot because of the processor. So that means when you're going from app to app and all whatnot, it's like push, 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 no delay. You know what I mean? Beyond that, let's go on to see other details of the device. So stuff like memory, for instance. The S21 Plus that we have here is the 256 gigabytes version with 8 gig of RAM. That is quite a lot. Also, the software that it runs on is Android 11. So there's that as well, which is the most recent. That's about it. The brightness is equally really bright and pretty dark as well. So if you are perhaps using your phone in the night and you don't want the lights to be just in your face or whatever, I think the brightness comes in very handy here. This definitely works for me, definitely works for me. So the front-facing camera is 10 megapixels and the back-facing camera, 64 megapixels telephoto lens, 12 megapixels wide-angle lens, and 12 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens, respectively. And that's about as much as I can tell for now. Let's now move from here to the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. When I pick up the S21 Ultra, the first thing that comes to mind is it's slightly heavier than the S21 Plus because that is around 202 grams, while the Ultra is between 227 to around 229 grams. The camera on this S21 Ultra are much bigger. There's 4 of them, and it also adds to the design on the S21 Ultra. It's just more aesthetically pleasing, makes a lot more design sense to me, and yeah, it really is beautiful. It is it makes for good grip as well. And yet again, just 2 buttons on this side. The SIM tray is also at the bottom, and of course the USB Type-C cable as well. So the front-facing camera on the S21 Ultra is 40 megapixels, y'all. I'm not even joking. That is impressive. And the back-facing camera is quad, that means 4. It also, of course, records video in 8K, as high as 8K, you guys. I can't wait to do like a full-on review because it's going to be So apart from the fact that the S21 Ultra is slightly heavier and bigger than the S21 Plus, the battery on the S21 Plus comes at 4,800 milliampere hours, while the S21 Ultra is 5,000 milliampere hours on the battery. And on that note, I want to say thank you for watching this video. Thank you for checking out my first impressions. Were you impressed yourself? But sometimes, of course, you have to use the device for a period of time and then make a full judgment of what the performance is like. I can't wait to download more applications and then just test out the processing power. And if there's anything that you would like for me to check out on these devices, please leave a comment below and let me know exactly what you're thinking. Do not forget to please subscribe. We love it when there's a new member on the TechCity community. And I thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Please listen to the TechCity podcast. The link is below as well. I'm BellaRose from TechCity. I've said a lot and I'm saying a phantom bye.